go. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Live, AK Motor, bro. And we are outside. Let's go. As you can see, we got the gang outside. We're gonna vibe out. Yeah, he said, which one's the clutch, bro? Oh Lord, bro, Kirsten on a I'm not on a sport bike, bro. Hey! Hey, you look pretty gangster on that. Look at Kirsten on a sport bike, bro. Hey! You could wheel it or no? Yeah. Let's go. Kirsten trying to wheelie that thing. Got homies shredding my 150. You said it's nothing like what?
Like the R7. This is like the worst bike that you can stunt.
Why though?
Because it has so it's Yamaha, so it's...
Whoa, Yamaha's the best, man.
But it's good for racing though.
Oh, okay.
Track. So mid-range, it starts going like...
Losing power or?
It starts gaining power.
Okay, like a two-stroke almost? Like the higher you go, the more power it has?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And that's for track, because once you start hitting it, you want to...
You change the gearing and stuff too, or no?
Yeah, I mean 62 in the back and then stock in the front.
Or...
You can adjust this if you need to.
No, I don't use the handbrake. I can't. I'll fall if I use the handbrake. Look at this big boy. Imagine like hop into the seat like that. No, not today. This thing got power, bro. This bit powerful. It's just, there's so much distance. This is the R6 if y'all are wondering. Bro, every time I get on a sport bike, it got my heart bumping, bro. One day, I might be sport bike bro. I'm just kidding, that will probably never happen. When you be in, what RPM range you like to keep it in? Like,
I don't even look,
like right here?
High, yeah.
High, right?
R6s do like this.
Yeah, I felt it when it's like, that has like that sweet spot where it's like, like. But hey, thank you, bro, I appreciate that.
Can I ride that 150?
Yeah, of course. We got the boy Kirsten. It's gonna be, see what I'm saying? It's weird to start. My 150 is about to blow. You gotta really kick that bit. Here, I'll do it. You can't start my 150. Here, I'll start it. Don't stall her out. Alright. The 150, bro. Kirsten's already getting it, bro. Right. He used to have a he still got a 150, but he blew it up. Hey, have you been on a 150 recently? No? Oh, hey, enjoy. So I'm letting him use my freaking 150 real quick. Hey, he said there was something wrong with the motor?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
You get oil from here.
Oh, but like it rides smooth.
Yeah, it rides straight.
Yeah.
It's leaking oil and I think the bulbs or some shit.
Ah, I like it. It feels real smooth. Let's go. We got the boy Sig on the KX450. Woo! Jeez, that thing got some power, brother. And he even polished the wheels. Woo! That thing is shining, dude. Let's get some work with my boy Kirsten. Yes, sir. Woo, bro, it's been so long since I've been on a DRZ. Feels good though, bro. Damn, dude, I miss the DRZ life. It feels good? Yeah. Kirsten, a little neat. Oh! Yeah! 150 hitter, bro. My youngin's a 150 hitter. Let's go. Bro, I like how it feels, bro. It's so smooth. The what? Speaking Spanish. I need to learn Spanish, man.
I don't even know. The top off?
The head, yeah.
Yeah.
I seen it's leaking right here.
Yeah. But he has to. Pero hace stick por out. ¿Tú sabes inglés? No, ¿verdad? Bush rods.
Oh, the bush rods.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, and then she's chilling. I liked how it felt good, bro.
Yeah, right?
Feels better than my DRZ.
You got on this one yet?
Nah, I still got it, yeah. I can ride this? Yeah. These be shaky, right? At like 12 o'clock. You like it?
I learned on this one.
More than like a YZ 450?
I don't know, it was weird because the YC is like just for the movement, it's like warm, but this one back there, you don't even feel like it's back there.
Ah. Alright. It's shining, bro. Bro, see, this thing is shaky, bro. That's what I'm saying with the freaking KX450s. Like, they have like a jitter to them. Hey, you're already looking comfy on that. Where Kirsten go, bro? We're on the freaking KX450, getting it, swagging the hand. Woo! It's just crazy the difference between a YZ450, like my bike, and a KX. Like, it's so much more jittery. Let's see what you got, Kirsten. Okay. Boy, mobbing my bike. It's about to blow up, but he's getting it. Woohoo! Yeah, I feel so rough on like a KX.
It feels shaky to you?
Yeah, it's shaky and it's sort of harder to get it to 12. Like you have to go further back, I feel like.
To me, it feels perfect.
Perfect. You like a lot of engine brake? Because I feel like it has hella engine brake, yeah? You see Kirsten going crazy, bro? What the hell?
Nigga, you don't even ride, bro.
I know, bro. It's not even his bike.
About like once every 2 months he kills it.
Bro, seriously. Shit, you got my bike on fire, bro. Just casual, stoic. Let's go, bro. Bro, he got that skinny bike tire, bro. This is what like the wheelie bike kids, they be running that type of tire. With the pedal bikes. You like DRZs or no?
I like to go with the skinny tires.
Okay, with skinny, yeah. Homie, it's always different riding with Supermoto tires. Woo! Oh, we're going right past the truck ski. Yes, sir. I don't know what he was doing, but his hat flew off, bro. Let's see that. Bro, he was hitting crazy combos. Yo! swerving behind the freaking sport bike. Let's go, that was sick.
Yeah.
Wait, so why don't you have why don't you have the front plastics on here?
Oh, bro, I don't even know. I just don't use them. I don't use the bag, so.
You said screw it. If I don't got the rear plastic, I'm not putting the front on. Like it's smoking?
It's broken.
Oh, it's broken.
Yeah.
Hey, if it blows up while I'm riding it, don't blame it on me. So, we got the DRZ. You'll know I love the classic DRZ. He got no rear, no front plastics, but we outside.
Hey, if it's wrong, it's good.
No, I feel the same way.